Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how to enable or disable do not disturb in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to notifications and here select do not disturb and just turn on this button do not disturb so that it will be enabled. Okay, do not disturb timing can be set here. Okay, every day 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. on next day you can set do not disturb. Okay, just to turn on it. Okay, to be active do not disturb during this these timings. Okay, if you want to add your own timing, click on add schedule and select the days. Okay, if you select all days, every day will have do not disturb at particular timing you are setting. Okay, suppose if you would like to choose some particular days only, here I have selected Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and this is here you can write any text as a note. Here I just my lattice, I have given this as my lattice, and I am going to set time for these do not disturb. Okay, this is start time. Okay, start time is 9 a.m. I set, and then click on end time. End time I would like to set to 4 p.m. Okay, so from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, do not disturb will be active on my phone. Okay, click on save. Okay, so in this way you can add schedule also. Okay, what is allowed during do not disturb? Okay, that's also can be customized. Okay, calls and messages none allowed. Okay, app notifications none allowed, alarms and sounds none allowed. Okay, hide notifications, here you can click on hide alls, or if you keep all things are open. Okay, so in this way you can customize many things for do not disturb in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. Okay, if you would like to turn off do not disturb, just turn off this button so everything will be turned off. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn on or turn off and customize do not disturb in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.